In front of me is REALME GT3 and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view. Begin by launching an app you wish to use in this view and accessing it in the background. Then tap on those three dots at the top of it. Click on floating window and then enjoy using your app in this little window. To move it around, hold those three dots at the top and drag it. To scale it, hold one of its corners and drag it as well. To use more options of pop-up view, click on the same three dots and check out all of those. You can tap on Minimalize to turn your app into a bubble and then access it by clicking on the bubble. You can tap on Full Screen to switch from pop-up view to full screen instantly, or simply click on Close to get rid of your window. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!